What's going on, everybody? Today I want to show you how to replace the material on your center console and your 2007 to 2014 Chevrolet Tahoe. Now, more than likely, if you have a Tahoe of those year models, this right here is going to be messed up. That's just wear and tear from somebody's arm resting right there. This doesn't really bother me too much because when I drive, I do rest my arm right here. But I went ahead and ordered the material on eBay. It was super cheap. I'll leave a link down in the description for this exact one, for this exact color. Step one of replacing the material is you go ahead and open up your center console. If you look inside, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws to remove. Now that you have those removed, you have this little clip right here that moves when you press the lever to open up the center console. All you want to do is press that down. Just get your flathead, pop that out. After you remove that panel, you have these screws right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, that need to be removed. Honestly, I think it's just these two that need to be removed, but we'll see. Yes, I was right. So it's only these two that need to be removed. Now that all the screws are removed, you're left with this. It has a bunch of staples that staples the material to the plastic. Just get you a flathead screwdriver or a staple remover and get those out. Alright guys, so something I learned while trying to take the fabric off is you actually don't even need a flathead screwdriver. You can just pull those staples right out. After you undo that, you have to take these two Phillips screws out. Alright, now that we got those two screws out, you have to take this rubber piece off. Well, there are 4 more Phillips head screws you have to get. 1, 2, 3, 4. And pull that piece up over that notch. There's a little notch right there. You have to pry that piece up with your finger or flathead screwdriver. And then this whole piece comes out. There's a front and back to this leather. The front piece looks like this, has a big notch cut out. The back piece is just straight across. Slide this over your center console lid. All right, just keep working with it a little bit. You just want to keep working it and try to get your seams lined up with the edge of the center console lid underneath. You want to make sure you get all the slack out, pull it tight. Now you can go ahead and put this piece back on. I don't plan on putting any staples in that top piece. Not a big deal to me. And then put that hole back on that notch, just like that. Once you finagle with that, you want to make sure this piece of material is coming through right here. Get this piece right here back over the notch, and make sure your fabric is sitting up underneath here. You can put your 4 screws back in, as well as these 2 screws right here. What you're left with is this Obviously it don't look very good right now because when you get ready to put this blade back down in here, you will have to pull it tight and put your staples in, or use like a hot glue gun to make it stick back to the plastic. You pull it where those crosses come through these holes, and that's where your screws go, in the holes right beside it. All right, and now you can put this on. Push it all the way back, and you should be able to put your screws in. And that's your finished product. Looks a lot better. All these wrinkles are in it from when it was packaged up for so long, but those will come out as the sun gets to it. Thank you for watching.